Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to bring power off menu to power button in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. If you long press this power button, instead of power off menu, here Google Assistant open. Okay. If you would like to bring back power off menu to power button, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings and here select power button and here click on press and hold the power button, and already you are seeing here voice assistant is set. Okay, so if you would like to use power menu in the power button, just click on the first option so that power menu will appear if you long press this power button hereafter. Okay, see here power off menu appearing. Okay, so in this way you can easily bring power off menu to power button in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.